Some ships are larger than skyscrapers, and building one requires years of engineering and thousands of workers. Shipbuilding takes place inside giant shipyards where steel structures are assembled like floating cities, the wide-scale realization of industrial mega-engineering. Construction begins with steel plates cut using high-precision automated plasma cutting systems. Plasma cutting sparks dramatic, satisfying industrial moment. Massive steel panels are bent and shaped, forming the curved structure of the hull. Giant plate bending scale engineering realization moment. Robotic welding joins sections together, creating strong, watertight structures capable of withstanding ocean forces. Ship hull sections are built as large blocks, allowing parallel construction across multiple areas of the shipyard. Mass block assembly combines these giant sections, forming the primary structure of the vessel. Deck sections are installed, creating working spaces, accommodation areas, and cargo zones. Deck placement, massive scale industrial progress moment. Extensive piping networks are installed to manage fuel, water, cooling, and onboard systems. The engine room houses massive propulsion systems that power the vessel across oceans. These intricate assemblies are the driving force behind global maritime voyages. Marine engines are installed along with generators, providing power for navigation and onboard operations. Generator installation, industrial power infrastructure moment. Propulsion shaft alignment, a macro-precision per marine engineering moment. A seamless transition into propeller manufacturing reveals the scale of innovation. Propellers are manufactured using specialized alloys designed for efficiency and durability in harsh marine environments. Propeller installation completes the propulsion system, enabling controlled movement through water. A cinematic engineering milestone moment. Navigation systems are installed, providing radar communication and route control capabilities. Bridge electronics activating somatic intelligence moment. Electrical wiring connects propulsion, lighting, sensors, and onboard automation systems. This wiring network reveals the macro intelligence of the entire system. Transitioning to the accommodation construction, the full integration becomes clear. Accommodation areas are constructed, including cabins, control rooms, and operational spaces. Interior construction, time-lapse floating city realization moment. Transition, interior build, match cut into exterior painting reveal. Safety systems, including fire suppression sensors and emergency equipment, are installed across the vessel. A reliability test confirms seamless activation. Manual inspection verifies operational readiness. Detailed inspections verify structural integrity, system functionality, and construction quality before launch. System testing evaluates propulsion electrical performance and onboard automation readiness. Engine test vibration, macro performance validation moment. Transition, test motion match cut into water launch preparation reveal. Launch preparation involves removing supports and preparing the vessel for its first contact with water. The dry dock gates are opening, anticipation builds for this cinematic moment. Ships are launched into water using floating docks, sliding systems, or controlled flooding methods. A dramatic milestone, the ship's entry into the water marks the start of sea trials. Sea trials evaluate speed, maneuverability, stability, and overall performance under real conditions. Crew onboarding prepares personnel to operate navigation, safety, and operational systems.
Bridge entry complete. Systems checked. Navigation safety systems online. All green.
Readiness achieved for operational demands.
Cargo handling systems are tested, ensuring efficient loading, unloading, and transport operations.
Container crane loading scale logistics cinematic moment. Ballast systems regulate ship stability, adjusting weight distribution during voyages. This visualization reveals how tanks fill to maintain balance. Connected systems, like fuel, ensure efficient and safe operations. Fuel systems are calibrated, ensuring efficient propulsion and long-distance travel capability. Route planning integrates navigation data, weather forecasting, and logistics coordination. Modern ships form the backbone of global trade, transporting goods across continents every day. Container ships carry thousands of containers, enabling efficient global supply chains. Container stacks. Aerial match cut into port automation reveal. Advanced navigation technology improves safety, efficiency, and route optimization during long voyages. Navigation interface. Transition interface match cut into automation systems reveal. Automation systems assist crews managing propulsion, cargo monitoring, and safety operations. New ship designs focus on fuel efficiency, emissions reduction, and environmental sustainability. Eco-ship concept, futuristic maritime innovation moment. Future shipyards will rely on robotics automation and digital modeling to accelerate construction timelines. Robotic shipyard, robot motion match cut into digital twin visualization reveal. Digital twin technology allows engineers to simulate ship performance before physical construction begins. Modular construction improves efficiency, allowing large sections to be built simultaneously. Hull modules assembling. Massive scale realization moment. Next-generation vessels integrate alternative fuels, autonomous navigation, and advanced monitoring systems. Autonomous ship concept, futuristic maritime innovation moment. Global shipping infrastructure connects shipyards, ports, logistics networks, and international trade systems. Shipbuilding represents one of the largest industrial engineering achievements supporting global transportation.
This is where we bid a future side of SOP.
Thousands of workers, engineers, and technicians collaborate to build vessels capable of crossing oceans safely. A mega construction of human ingenuity. Research focuses on efficiency, sustainability, and new materials shaping the future of maritime transport. Demio distribution and international connectivity. Global trade montage, ships, skill impact, montage match cut into life cycle reveal. From steel plates to ocean voyages, shipbuilding reflects precision, scale, and engineering mastery. A montage of the ship's life cycle culminates in this emotional moment of completion. The journey from raw materials to sea trials represents years of innovation, design, and industrial expertise. Ship evolution montage, generational match cut into final hero reveal. Behind every vessel, shipyards quietly build the infrastructure that powers global trade.